Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. If you watch our videos, you know that we like to cook. And you also know that we like to cook on cast iron. In this video, we are doing a full review and some cooking on the BLACKSTONE griddle. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Jerry. And we are going to do a little bit of cooking, but this is a full review of the BLACKSTONE griddle. We bought the BLACKSTONE this summer, somewhere around August, September timeframe. And we have been cooking a lot on it. And we realized that we had not done a full, good, honest review of the BLACKSTONE. And then it was brought to my attention that if you RV and you don't have A, a dog, or B, a BLACKSTONE griddle, you could be kicked out of the RV club, specifically the RV YouTube Creator Club. And we don't want that to happen. So stick around. This is our review of the BLACKSTONE griddle. So the 17-inch BLACKSTONE griddle has 12,000 BTUs of heat from an H-style burner. It's 268 square inches of heavy-duty cooking surface, rolled carbon steel, built-in a lighter for complete heat control, and an integrated grease management system. It uses a 1-pound propane bottle or a 20-pound propane tank, and you can put an adapter on that. So it uses propane. Anyway, it's 17.5 inches, 8.5 inches high, 8 inches wide, and it weighs in at 21 pounds. So we were going to do this review outside and do the cooking outside, but it's a typical February Oregon day and it's raining. So thought we'll bring it inside the trailer and we'll do some cooking. We'll just put it on the stovetop. It'll work just the same. And but anyway, first of all, what you need to know is there's a couple different types of BLACKSTONE griddles. And we got the Adventurer model, which is a 17-inch cook surface. Now that 17-inch cook surface is plenty for, you know, a couple, a family, a real small group. You could definitely cook a lot on it. We have cooked breakfast, lunch, and dinner on this griddle, and everything from eggs to stir fry. And today I think we're going to throw some meat and some veggies on there. It's a cast iron cook surface, which is just absolutely a perfect cook surface to cook on. Those of you that know about cast iron, it's amazingly non-stick. So with any cooking surface that's worth cooking on, you have to season up that griddle really good. So, you know, they recommend that you heat it up and add oil, let it cool, wipe it, heat it up again, add oil, let it cool, wipe it, etc. Since we've had our BLACKSTONE since August, it was either August or September, you know, we've already seasoned that thing up really good. So now I guess the best way to demonstrate and review this amazing cooking surface, let's just cook on it. All right, so we just put the BLACKSTONE here on the stove cover. And what we're going to do is we're going to light it. We attached our fuel bottle. Get a little gas in there. And then the automatic starter, we'll click it right on. And there we go. You can see the Now we're going to go ahead and leave it on high. We're going to get this nice and hot. All right, that's getting warm. I'm going to go ahead and put a little oil right in the middle. You can definitely tell if the trailer's level or not. I try not to use metal utensils on the cooking surface, so I'm just going to move that oil around. We're not totally level here. That's okay though. Alright, that's getting nice and warm. We are going to add our meat. And we're doing two kinds of meat today. We're doing some beef choice strips. And we're doing some sirloin. And what I like to do is I just take it, pepper, and that's it. Pepper that right in the pan or the tray. Rub that in. And we're going to stick those strips right on. And we'll do the same thing with this sirloin. I don't like to mask flavor. I like to add to some flavor. Stick that. Now remember, you've got the H pattern, so all the bulk of the heat is right down the edges right here, and then across the middle. So if you keep your meat right in the middle of this cook surface, you're going to have a really good cook. We're going to cook these for 5 minutes on each side. So after I get done with the meat, I'm going to throw some bell pepper, some green pepper, red pepper, and some onion on the grill. And with the steak strips, I'm going to cut those up really nice and thin and small, and do some peppers and the meat, and then the two steaks. Well, they're for our son. He needed 2 steaks. So anyway, we're going to do that as soon as this meat gets done cooking. I tell you, once you start cooking on a Blackstone using the cast iron griddles or whatever, once you do this, you'll never go back to the barbecue. This is just the best way to cook a piece of meat. Vegetables, it's a little healthier. It really is a great way of cooking. All right, we're going to go ahead and flip that meat now. Got a really nice sear on it. Oh, that's looking delicious. And at this point, I would put that steak up against Ruth Chris. I'm just saying, that's going to be a really good lunch. All right, stay tuned. The meat is almost done. We're about to throw the veggies on. All right, so we threw we moved the meat off to the sides. We threw our vegetables on there. We're going to add a little bit of pepper to them veggies. Just kind of kick it up a notch, as they say. We're going to cook that until the onions start getting that nice, soft, translucent look. Oh yeah, baby. If we had smell-o-vision, you'd be in heaven. Let me tell you. Okay, one of the things I really love about this 17-inch Blackstone is it does fit here inside. So if we're out camping on a rainy day, I can bring it in and I could cook without no mess. You know, just cook it up. The cleaning of this is super, super easy. All you do is water it down, get the chunkies off. You're good to go. I'm going to flip that steak. I don't have any butter out here in the trailer, otherwise I'll be putting some butter on that steak. Rotate that a little bit. This meat's just about done. It's done for me, but I think Josh likes it a little bit more cooked. But we're getting to that point where the onions are nice and soft, and it's about time to plate this puppy up. All right, that's done. We've went ahead and turned off the grill, and I'm going to put all this up on a plate. And, oh man, it smells terrific. It's so good. All right, let's plate that puppy up. All right, so as with any steak, you want to take it off the grill, let it sit there and rest for about 5 minutes before you dig into that. So we got our vegetables that are nice and cooked, looking really good. The steaks, I cut the steak strips up, got them in there. I'm going to mix that with this, have kind of a little steak salad. And let me tell you, this, again, it smells so good. Okay, so overall, I love this product. I wish I was paid by Blackstone, but I'm not. I bought it and I use it. I really love the Blackstone grill. It makes everything taste so much better. Not only that, but if you fail to get a Blackstone grill and a dog, you will be kicked out of the YouTube RV Creators Club. So you don't want to lose that privilege, do you? Anyway, hey, enjoy a good meal. Check out that Blackstone. If you haven't done so, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. If this is your first time visiting us, we appreciate you coming along. And check out some of our other videos which are appearing right about here. All right, a happy life starts in a happy place, and we're happy you came with us. Thank you very much.